Good morning, students. Let us do the next exercise, that is exercise number B, and it is also in page number 17. Here we have to write true or false. Some statements are given and you have to find out whether these are true or false. Let us start with the first one. Number 1, all household waste should be thrown outside the house. As we discussed, should we throw our household waste just outside our house because we think that we are not affected by these waste material because we are living little higher above the ground level, or maybe we are not in a position to go and dump the waste. But children, remember, never throw waste here and there. We can throw our waste in the dustbin and it will be collected by the local agency. So it is, of course, it is false. We should never throw our waste outside the house, and it will affect us, it will affect the people living in that area. Non-biodegradable waste is more harmful than biodegradable waste. As we know that non-biodegradable waste are those waste material which take a lot of time to decompose or rot or mix with the soil. So it is of course very harmful. So it is correct, the statement is correct, non-biodegradable waste is more harmful than biodegradable waste. So this statement is absolutely correct, and we should keep on thinking that we should reduce using this non-biodegradable materials like plastic, especially plastic. Coming to the third one, burning is the best way of disposing waste. Tell me, children, is burning the best way to dispose waste? No, never. Because when you burn something, what happens? There will be smoke, and that will cause harm to the people living in that area. They will have breathing problem. Even the ashes will harm the soil. So burning is not at all the best way. Yes, burning is used sometimes, especially in the field waste and when there is dry leaves and all that. But absolutely no, not in any way is it the safest or the best way to dispose waste. So it is false. Children, coming to the fourth one, all waste material can be recycled. Do you think that all waste material can be recycled? No, never. All waste materials are not recycled like glass or plastic. In some way we can recycle, but all the type of waste cannot be recycled. So it is false. And coming to the last one, we must never throw waste in rivers and other water bodies. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Water bodies like rivers or ponds or sea, even in the seashore, people they dump their waste in the water because they think that this is not my home. I have just come to visit this place and I will go away. Like I talked to you about the roads. When we travel by the roads, we think that we are just passing by. If there is if that road is dirty, how it affects us. So we are not bothered about these things. But children, we should bother, because in a way we are harming the whole environment. So we must never throw waste in the rivers and other water bodies. Yes, it is absolutely correct. We should not dump our waste. We should not dump our waste in the rivers and water bodies. Rivers and water bodies are not the dumping place. It should be clean, because that water we are using for each and every purpose, for domestic, for irrigation. So in this way we should keep it neat and clean. So just once we have a glance or recap, all household waste should be thrown outside the house. False. Non-biodegradable waste is more harmful than biodegradable waste. Correct. True. Burning is the best way of disposing waste. False. All waste material can be recycled. No, it cannot be. False. And the last one, we must never throw waste in rivers and other water bodies, and that is absolutely correct. True. Okay, so in this way you can do this exercise in your social study textbook, and it is given in page number 78. Thank you.